Make sentences using the word very. The cake is very sweet. I am very happy today. This is the very pen I lost yesterday. She was here at the very beginning. He is the very man I saw at the store. This is the very place we played as kids. It is not very cold outside. She is not very good at math. I am very excited for the trip. He was very angry when he saw the mess. Look, very as an intensifier, that is to emphasize something. The cake is very sweet. How sweet? Very. More strong, right? I am happy today. How much? Very happy. Very as an adjective meaning exact or specific. This is the very pen I lost yesterday. This is the pen actually I lost yesterday. We are specifying this pen. She was there. She was there at the very beginning. That is, from the beginning, she was there. Exact, right? It is very meaning. The meaning of very here is exact. Very to emphasize identity, same person or thing. He is the very man I saw at the store. That is, this is the man I saw at the store. Yes, right? That is specifying this person. This is the very place. That is same person or thing. This is that place we played as kids, right? This is specifying a place or person. Okay. Then very to show strong feelings. I am very excited. How much? Very. That is more than excited.